how to get the brand new prismatic seed for free. As you guys can see, there's a new Ember Lily seed inside of the shop, and you can get it for free by following this video. I'll be explaining how you can actually get it, this new seed, completely for free in Grow a Garden, and this applies to every single player. There is no actual requirements that you have to follow to actually get this prismatic seed for free. You just have to do a simple glitch. The cooked owl is just cosmetic, but we will make a pet next week. That is the answer of your questions. Also guys, like the video and subscribe if you want the prismatic seed, because I watched the whole video and I am going to win a prismatic seed right now, the prismatic lily. So once you go to the shop right here, click on talk, and the Ember Lily is inside the shop. You can pretty much buy it with shekels or you can buy it with Robux. And today is your lucky day because I'm going to be gifting one of these seeds to you guys, so you can actually have the Ember Lily seed in Grow a Garden right now, right here today. So there will be one winner that will be getting the Ember Lily seed into this video. Make sure to comment Ember Lily in the comments down below. Ember Lily, just like the seed says over here at the shop. If you didn't already know how to type it, it's literally Ember Lily. So guys, if you haven't already gotten the Ember Lily seed for free, this is pretty much how you can actually get one completely out of charge. And like the video guys and subscribe.